Coming up to the stage right now, give it up for Craig Kirkland.
Blessings and respect. Good night, people. First time here, so I'm going to do it. Thank you very much. I am Craig Kirkland. I have a book on Amazon. It's called Don't Cry. But tonight, I'm going to do two real quick. This one is called The Holiday Inn.
Okay.
I spent a few days of my holiday in the Holiday Inn while I was all the way in her. We took one shower together. She gripped me tightly, precisely, nicely. I whispered soft words in her ear, telling her how much I care. She called me God, but no, I was more like Moses as I stretched forth my rod. Damn, she was sexy, her body impressed me, beautiful like the ocean's wave. I was gliding like I was on a jet ski. Round two, see, we exited the bathroom to the bed. She opened and spread, uttered these words and said, honey, I want you to kick me with your big Timberland boots, knock me out till me dead. I was like, baby, calm down, can't I be gentle instead? But before I could have done chat, it was like Mortal Kombat. She said, come here, I'm gonna finish you, Craig. On top of me, bouncing blissfully like a happy kangaroo. My girl, and you win, that's why I honor you. You know the tweet on her IG, but let me tell her precisely, you know how to TikTok. That's why I follow you. The next one is for all you beautiful ladies. And this one is called You'll Be Okay. Ashley, you are remarkable. You are strong. You are one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you will never go wrong. Yana, you are smart. You are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. You see, the skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moments, you experienced pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused. Be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong moves. Are you feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied? Fret not, for God already sent an angel to be a travel guide. You'll be okay, Ovi, just know that God is real. After you overcome the sophisticated phase, it'll be the strongest you ever feel. Ladies, you are beautiful, you are sweet. So trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more, you'll be okay. Forget about them who don't believe in you, you have no time to play. You are a fighter, a survivor, you resist to quit. Ashley, you're loved. You're a goddess. You deserve lifetime happiness. Tell them precisely. Check my book out. Don't Cry on Amazon. Great indeed. Respect and thanks.
Give it up for Craig, y'all.
Thanks.
I do love the image of trampling all hypocrites, like real literally, like underfoot trampling. Love that. All right, on the count of three, can we get a please come back? 1, 2, 3, please come back. All right.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah, the great collections. We have whole heap of merchandise, I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah, the great collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah, the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.